In other news tonight, two men, both accused of first-degree murder, but now the man police say was driving in the highway shooting that killed Caitlyn Kaufman is free. And the admitted shooter was found guilty of a lesser charge of second-degree murder. News 2's Adam Mincer has been following this case and has the details on what happened in court today. Adam.
Haley, the charges both men were facing would have meant spending the rest of their lives behind bars. Instead, the man who admitted to shooting and killing 26-year-old Caitlyn Kaufman on Interstate 440 and the man allegedly driving got the result their lawyers were fighting for.
We, the jury, find the defendant James Edward Cowan not guilty.
After hours of deliberation, the jury found the two men charged in the death of 26-year-old nurse Caitlyn Kaufman not guilty of first-degree murder. James Cowan, who is alleged to be the driver in this highway shooting, in the clear.
Mr. Cowan and Mr. Hill, you have heard the verdict of the court.
In the admitted shooter, Devontae Hill,
Guilty of second-degree murder.
A verdict Hill's lawyers say their client wanted.
He was very relieved and believes that it was a just verdict as well.
But while Hill and Cowan's friends and family say they're sorry this happened, they celebrated the court's decision.
It's not life, so I'm glad.
I'm proud of that. Yeah.
I would take it. It's not
So
life.
proud.
They said Cowan was guilty. Now everybody see the truth. Y'all see the truth. And he's gonna be good.
The Kaufman family silent after the verdict. Their attorney declining to comment after the decision.
Clearly, the jury found he did not have any responsibility.
Criminal trial lawyer Ben Powers is not involved in this case, but has been following it closely.
If you find second degree for the shooter, inherently, you have to find the driver not guilty because there's no premeditation for the driver if the shooter acted recklessly without any kind of notice or agreement or anything to that effect.
He says the decision to find Cowan not guilty makes sense given the limited evidence on what he did or didn't do.
And the jury took their job seriously, and they weighed the proof that they had, and they weighed the proof that they did not have.
Devontae Hill will have a sentencing hearing coming up in March. Second-degree murder, which he was just charged of, is punishable by 15 to 25 years behind bars with a possibility for parole. Just found guilty of second-degree murder. Haley?